The truth is, you can't run a business without suppliers. They are our helpers, but when things go wrong, how do you recover a business relationship that has let you down?
Suppliers. We can't live without them, but sometimes we can't even live with them. With almost half of businesses failing due to conflicts with supplier, it's easy to forget how important these relationships are. We ask the experts.
1.
So I always appreciate the suppliers that go out of their way to go like, listen, this is what's going on. Things are slower than usual. This is what we're dealing with. Then you kind of go, oh, got it. Not anything we can control. But the ones that just sort of pretend like everything's fine while it's not, that's the worst. Once you find one that does deliver for you, has good quality products, gets you the products when they say, is very clear, then you want to hang on to those relationships because those are good partners to have.
2.
It's a relationship. So if you are in business long term, your relationship with your supplier is likely also long term. So it's good to be understanding, to be empathetic, to put yourself in their shoes, to understand why things have happened, to see if those are reasonable things that can be explained, that maybe are one-time things, or if they're patterns, and if your supplier really doesn't have the capability to provide the service or the product that you need. I think the biggest thing I've learned is, in the end, we're accountable to our customers. We don't get to pass the buck. So you really do need suppliers that you can count on. But I wouldn't discount someone for a one-time mistake. Usually, I would say, look at it as the relationship that it is, nurture it like it is the relationship that it is. Where you need to, diversify, get more than one supplier. You have to protect yourself that way if possible.
3.
I think the biggest part is probably empathy. At least that's what I used. Because suppliers, they're also running a business. And running their own supply chain business or manufacturing business is difficult as well. A lot of our suppliers actually went out of business during the COVID time. Obviously, things got interrupted because of that, but they were trying the best to help us go through the transition. Even though they were out of business, they didn't want to shut down, they just have to shut down. And then I just work with them and find a solution so that we can move forward with the business. So I think just being genuine and being empathetic with this human touch really helped.